I know I look horrible. It's like 96 degrees here in New York. But I just picked up the paint. So this is the paint color we're going with. It's that darker blue. I unfortunately spent $160. So we are officially over budget. We are over budget by $60. So we'll see how much more we can get done without getting it to $300 now. So we got all three paint colors on the wall. I'm gonna go with the one furthest to the left. It's the dark blue one. So I got the paint already from Home Depot. We are a little bit over budget by $62 right now. So I was hoping to do this for $200. We're at $262 right now. So I don't know how to open this. Wall over here, all cornered out. I didn't do too great of a job, but I don't really care because I'm gonna paint the ceiling anyway, and obviously this wall is gonna be the same color, so honestly, I couldn't care less. All right, so we got the first coat on. I just put that top. I completely missed that corner, so I just did that corner right there, but we got the first coat on. I really like how the color is coming out. Second coat should make it look a little bit darker, which is what I'm really excited for, but I'm really happy with how this turned out. Did a lot off camera, obviously, so I started that wall. There's some holes there, but I think we're kind of just gonna cover those up, obviously. I just covered up that one that was there. All right, so it is the next day. So obviously I've done quite a bit off camera. I figured it didn't make sense for me to just make like 4 separate videos of me painting. Pretty much all the walls are done, except up there, there's some trim I still have to get done. I also broke the wall here by accident. Thank God these are screwing. If I had to pry these out again. I broke my vice grips like 4 times. I had to fix them like 4 times because of pulling things out of the walls that were nailed into studs and whatever. What I'm actually most excited for this garage is to set up everything again. Because I feel like a new coat of paint, even if it's in the same room, will really change the way the room feels. Aha! So I'm going to the attic if for some reason I need to, this is my first time doing all this. Oh. Good morning, everybody. Finished the walls, so everything's all lined up best I could do. I started the ceilings. I had some leftover white paint from another room that was done, but I ran out of paint, so we have to get more paint. Problem is today it's raining, so I can't put the bikes outside, so I'm not gonna be able to do anything today, unfortunately. But with that being said, I'm very happy with how everything is pretty much turning out. Sitting on the ladder, sometimes you gotta see things from different perspectives. It's starting to come along. I'm very happy with the color. So I ended up going with I think it's called Dolphin Blue. I got paint in my hair, which is nice. I had so much paint in my hair yesterday. I'll put a clip or a picture. The Boxster also has a flat tire, I think. Good morning, everybody. It's been about 2-3 days in here, about 2.5 days, give or take, of me repainting this, you know, sanding everything, spackling everything in here. So all the walls are officially done. The ceilings are mostly done. There's a little bit section there that I didn't get to do because honestly I just ran out of paint. I was using old paint that I had from a previous room that I did. So obviously none of my stuff is set up, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Part cleaning stuff, my tools and all that is all here. So I'm gonna try to just get this all set up today generally and clean up a lot of this. This is just a big hole. I'm gonna just put stuff in front of that so I don't have to look at it. All right, so it's a couple hours later. So I got everything on the walls. So these are all my little posters. I got my big fish, my signs and stuff. So everything's organized pretty much how I want it. Still the detailing stuff over here. Got my towels and stuff that I was using. I moved my riding stuff to that corner because that's where the bikes go. So I figured I might as well keep it over there. And everything's pretty much set up. Color is all dry. The ceiling is still drying in some spots, as you can see, but it's all right. I don't really care anymore. I'm kind of over it. But we still had to paint that door behind me. But, you know, for the time being, I'm very happy with how everything came out. So this has kind of been, I know this video has been kind of all over the place because I've been recording it over 3-4 days. But as always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I also want to thank you guys for 300 subscribers. Also, I got new microphones. I know my microphones sucked. Paint in my hair. But as always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and all that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. See that catch?